welcome to the foundation course on supply chain management from SCM Connect. As the name suggests, we are from SCM Connect Private Limited. As the name suggests, SCM stands for supply chain management. So here we bring, as part of our training and development program, a foundation course on supply chain management for students and working professionals who want to pursue their careers in supply chain management, who are passionate about this subject. We want to bring this course to them. This course, you can expect, fundamentals of supply chain management, very clear thought process on as to what is supply chain management, what is the scope of supply chain management, how is it different from logistics, and various other fundamental things about supply chain management. Apart from the core basics, we'll be covering different aspects of supply chain management, including demand planning, why demand planning is so critical for streamlining your supply chains. Supply chain visibility, very, very important concept, wherein we do supply chain mapping as the first step towards mapping your as-is situations, the various type of mapping techniques and so on and so forth. We'll also be covering logistics in depth, one of the core cost components of supply chain management, and a very important topic. We are all glued on to logistics as a subject, and therefore it becomes very important for us to get in-depth understanding of logistics. Inventory, I think one of the fundamental issues with Indian economy today lies with inventory management, and we will be talking in depth about various cash flow management aspects, why really inventory matters, and how we can go about streamlining inventory related challenges. Then we talk about procurement. So at the end of the day, we need to procure or source raw materials from our suppliers, get into the production, and then finally deliver products to the customers. So therefore, procurement is a very, very strategic process, and we need to understand in depth about procurement as a subject. And finally, we look at supply chain design, wherein we talk about the location facilities, where should our warehouses be, where should our plants be located, what should be the size of those warehouses or plants and things like that. So that's about supply chain design. So, we talk about real life examples, and we talk about the key concepts. It's going to be an industry aligned curriculum covering end-to-end aspects of supply chain management. Structured learning, both from basics and analytics point of view. We would be learning to build various types of models and then play around with those models by simulating various situations arising in our day-to-day lives. As I said, it's going to be a case-based explanation drawn from real-life inspirations, real-life problems in various supply chains. These sessions are going to be recorded and are going to be available on our learning management system. This is designed for working professionals and people who are serious about pursuing a career in supply chain management. It's going to be a very useful course. So I would urge everyone to come and join this course and see for yourself what value it adds to your skill sets. It's going to be a strong foundation for future courses in advanced supply chains, and we are also rolling out an advanced supply chain course, and this should be a starting point, foundation course on supply chain management, to take up future courses on advanced supply chain management. Thank you guys.